Dude, it's gonna happen quick. Turn her up.
We got the arrow with Proverbs 3:5. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your path straight.
I love what we do. I love this.
That's the biggest Pennsylvania deer I've ever seen.
Are we just gonna hold them all up? Look at that, I mean, you're not gonna beat that.
Keep getting it done, but this is a really cool deer. First Louisiana deer for me.
I'm one. I'm him.
Well, guys, welcome to the 2022 turkey season. Fired up to be here. It's our first time out. We are in Tennessee. We just arrived yesterday. We're hunting with our good buddies Andy Melton and David Williams, just east of Nashville here. So, hoping we can get on some birds. Heard we're doing a fun hunt today. We are heading out on their boats. They got two boats, and we're going to be listening for gobbles throughout the river bottom, the water bottom, the valley. The lake bottom, I don't know what to call it, but we're gonna listen for them up in the hills, and we're gonna chase after them there.
We're probably going to do some alcohol curveballs, try to get some respond, and then once we hear some, we're going after it. This is the coolest thing ever.
By the way, I did not introduce David. David, say hello. Hey, you gotta see the good-looking face. You had to
Take the mask off so you can see how pretty I am. He's hot.
Okay. You guys want him?
Y'all want to go first? Go for it, man.
Every time I crow call, he's gobbling. There's another one further back.
Well,
You guys go.
let's drop them off at the first one. Yeah, we'll drop you off at the first one. It's time.
That'll be good. Alright, so Andy got a bird gobbling up over this knob right here, so David's gonna drop us off on this side. He's still gonna roost, they said, so we're gonna work up over the hill and just kind of wait at the top and call him. As soon as he pops it, we're gonna blast him. But they're gonna go off after another bird up the lake here, so that's the plan, and let's hope we can execute. I think he's on the other side of the lake. It's so hard to tell. It's such a drop off right there. I don't want to go up and bust him, but like at the same time I kind of want to get my bearings of where the lake is. Is that the lake down there? we have to be eye level with him. He sounds super cool. Well, I don't know if you heard what we're doing, but the turkey's on the other side of the ridge, across this covey. So we'll cut up that ravine right there.
We saw him there. We were chasing all morning. He's still in the tree. We made our way around the embankment. We saw our other guys climbing up. They pointed him out to us. We're kind of at a standstill here because we don't know what to do.
We just spent the morning working one bird that was literally on its roost the entire morning. It is now 9 o'clock. We've been working him since like 6, and he just flew away. I don't know what the situation. It was funny. We set up. We thought he was on another mountain, right across this like cove on this lake, and we set up on it. And it turned out he was across the little cove, set up over here. Run the Fox Pro calls and tried fanning them there at the end with this thing that they had. How horrible of a turkey hunter am I? I left all my decoys at home. So I had to borrow all some of their stuff. Luckily they have a ton of crap because they turkey hunt 24/7.
I just took the meanest poop I've ever took in the middle of the woods. That was an emergency. Ripped my shirt off. Let's kill bird now.
Alright guys, they came off the roost and they just skirted us. They flew over there. They didn't come towards the decoy, but they're in the field over there, and we have a little bit of a knoll. We're gonna get down and get behind. Maybe we'll stay in the woods a little bit and close the distance and show them the fan and see if we can make something happen. So. We were close again. so freaking close. I thought in the morning, I thought they came off that roost, and I thought they went over the hill, but they weren't even down yet. It just, for some reason, it sounded way further away, but they ended up flying down, pitching down, I don't know, 200 yards plus. It's snowing, so we got that going on. Yeah, they pitched down 200 yards. I showed them the fan, they didn't like it, they kept going through. There was 2 or 3 hens and 3 toms. And so then we spotted them in the field, the 3 toms. We army crawled. We walked through the woods a little bit, army crawled like 200-300 yards to this little gully right between the fields. And we had them I guarantee they were right over the hill at 50 yards, but as soon as we got there, a hen came out of the woods, and our goal was to just kind of creep forward slowly and bushwhack them and shoot them, but that hen screwed that plan for us. Had all this Huntsworth gear on and keeping me warm with them extra layers, but you know what wasn't warm was when I had to poop in the woods this morning. I had to do a panic poop. I'm interested in seeing what my shirt looks like. Hold on.
Turn her up.
Bro, I'm gonna start rocking this everywhere, dude. I wore this everywhere this summer. Just be like, yeah, hello gut now. So that's funny as crap. I'm glad it turned out. That was a smooth cut.
It's like 10 o'clock at night. Just got out of the shower, and I told Luke we were going to do something before we came to Tennessee. We were going to do stashes for strutters. We're going to start a hashtag. Probably won't get anywhere, but it'll be fun. I'm going to shave off all this right here, and I bought just for men's. Hold on, where's it at? I bought just for men's, and I'm going to put it and dye my mustache like black. Mistakes were made. It stained my skin. But look at, I got a stash. And there's color to it. Maybe it don't look too bad. We're gonna go show Luke right now.
It stained my skin. It looks legit though. Stashes for strutters, folks. Let's go. What do you think of the new look?
You went stash.
I went stash and
You
I
went
used
stash.
just for men's hair dye. It dyed my skin though.
Hey, we're gonna have something change your look.
showers this morning. Sounds like they're on that property we were on the other day. We were trying to bushwhack them. So we're gonna drop off this ridge, I think.
I really thought the mustache would bring out some turkeys today.
It's going to.
Is it?
I still feel it's going to work.
As you can tell, we're checking properties and looking at fields. And we might have something. Yeah, right here. She's coming right around. Is she? So I'm gonna guess there's a gobbler down. Okay.
Or do you want to stay behind me and just get right over the shoulder, and whenever I start coming, I'll just say, you're gonna leave right beside me.
That works.
We'll do that.
Let's do that. We'll make it happen.
Back up. You on him?
Damn, they knocked the head off me.
Hey, when they gobbled, I knew they was here.
Dude, they was right there.
I was like, this is
Dude, thanks,
it's
bro.
gonna happen quick. It was quick. It happened quick, man.
I'm still not kicking around.
Oh, you smashed.
Oh,
How you like that red dot?
that thing's nice.
It's nice, man.
Took some time today to make this happen. We started off another property and worked the whole ridge where we've been hunting earlier this week, and they were gobbling. They just shut up, and literally first place we stopped at after leaving there, we come up over the hill, he sees a hen, then we hear him gobble while we're right there, and he backed us off right off perfect, and it worked.
Well, that's what sucks about this place, but it's great about this place. Coming in, when you're coming into the property, where this field right here, it's right beside the driveway, right beside the road. And so you take a risk whenever you drive in of spooking them off. So a lot of times we have to come in and, kind of ease up over the hill and check and see if they're there. And if they're there and they see that, then you pretty much just got to sit down, And when they gobbled, we knew they were here. I was just like, oh, we can make this happen.
It happened right, man.
Way to go.
Dude.
You're hanging.
Hey, thanks, brother.
Hey,
I appreciate that a
did
ton,
it.
man. Did it get? Well,
No.
the stash
The
did
stash
it.
did
I
it.
forgot I had the stash for a second. Hey, stashes for strutters. This is what it's about right here. Well, guys, that wraps up Tennessee for us. And now we are on to Kansas. But man, like I said, I'm super thankful for this dude right here. It's a freaking legend. him and David, I call them the most iconic hunting duo in Tennessee hunting history.
Yeah.
They get after it. You guys
We
kill
tried.
birds.
We tried.
But wish David was here for it too, but we'll go by. We'll swing
go
by
see
and say
him.
hello to
Yeah,
him.
we'll go see him.
You like that? Dude, I died. It got on the skin last night. It's not even my stash, it's my skin, bro. It's crooked.
It's awesome, dude. I love it. Congratulations,
Thanks, man. It took a little bit, but we got her done. Tennessee is quickly becoming one of my favorite places to turkey hunt, especially when you're sharing it with guys like Andy and David. If you want to, check out their stuff. They have Chasing Red with the Midwest Whitetails. They put out some incredible content. Some of the best turkey hunters I know. And Andy's definitely got the best crow call
natural crow call that I know too.